Should I do this one?
Sure.
I kind of like it.
Whatever you want. And then it's got the rubber tip at the other end for smoothing it out.
That's all you get.
That's it. I'm all done.
Haha. Done for the day. Oh, this one is darker. I like this one darker though.
Yeah.
Look, let me do darker, lighter, and then darker. How about that?
Sure.
Some lighter, and then we'll go darker, and like have a ombre shimmer.
There you go.
How about that? It's really nice and like.
And you can layer them. You can do whatever you want. So you can do like different ones and layer it.
Should I layer it?
Whatever you want. I don't care.
This one right there. Did you hear this?
Yeah.
Oh, tip and trick. The best way to do for your sticker to apply is 1/4 of the top coat on, and your sticker will suck in like nobody business.
Because it's such a smooth surface.
Since I do that one, I'm gonna do that one for your nails. Like this one a little bit darker. You can see that, like a darker green. Look. Should I layer it?
Whatever you want.
Like, oh my gosh, I didn't mean to.
Look what you do.
Huh?
Yeah.
You know what? I don't like it.
What don't you like?
Because I don't want them to top and stay on the top of each other. Like that. Like that.
Just do them cascading.
Right there. Sometimes you just like feel it like, oh my god. It's...
And you can use your finger to press some down. The reason we use the rubber tip is that you don't put oils on your finger, on the nail. Because then when you go to put another one down, then there's oils there.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to put the darker one. Do you want some dot dot?
Sure. I'm so easy.
No, you're not.
I am. I don't even care. Whatever you want. If I say what I want, then you say, oh, but Vicky, this is better.
Yeah, I would tell you how it. And like Nancy taught me how it. Why you were so far away from Lily?
It's wherever you put me.
No, hold on. Instagram. Well, I always miss Instagram though. Can you see Instagram? Make sure.
Yeah, it's good.
I don't know why I keep going on the right instead of keep going on the left. Looks so good. And it's so nice and so thin, and it wraps
how
around
cute
the
it is.
nails.
No wrinkles, no bubbles. Because they're so thin.
Let me see.
They just smooth right out.
Oh, that's good.
Look at this.
So cute though. You can do ombre like the
love it.
colors.
Yeah.
Oh, I go opposite. Lily, is that right?
That's good. Good. That's good. Now I've lost my whole finger. And you turned it black. Right there.
Good. Looks good. And all you need to do is, if you want to, like, don't want anything else, no crystal, nothing, leave it alone as is. How much are you gonna chuck for that? Top coat.
Oh, $6.
For one nails?
Yeah. For stickers? Yeah.
And how much you make already? Because it's a sticker.
$1.45.
No, I mean, so
For the
no,
nails.
for the stickers. So you get $1 stickers from Glitz. Nobody knows. Your client, if the client's watching TV, well, video now, they will not gonna even like care. But then $1, and you stock one nail for $6. So
Yeah,
you make
so 2 nails, $12.
$12. You pay $1 for sticker, and you only use 6 of them. Why you charge me so much?
Because it took me time to pick them out, to still lay out the design.
Take your skill to rub it on.
Skill. Take me knowledge to not use my finger because the next sticker is not going to stay.
So I usually, like, if you don't do any crystal on it, I usually do one coat of the good, one coat of the no wipe top coat, and it should stay until the next time client's coming back. I just go back and forth to make sure that I covers pretty much everything. Actually, you should do all of them, no crystal. And I